Good morning, children. Saira, welcome back to our English class. And today we are going to continue with our lesson number 8, Birbal's trip to paradise. As you know that we have finished part 1. So let us quickly recap what we did in part 1. We read about the characters. They are narrator, Akbar, Birbal, and the barber. So I will just ask you some questions so that we can revise what we have learned till now. So why was Birbal a favorite of Akbar? Yes, because he was wise and witty and he was the cleverest man in the whole empire. And why was the barber was envious of Birbal? Because Birbal was Akbar's favorite and he was favored with fortune. And what was the plan? This is very important question. And what was the plan that the barber has to get rid of Birbal? So what was the plan? Yes. The plan was the barber got a chance to tell Akbar that he dreamt of Akbar's father needing someone witty and to entertain him in the heaven. So Barber's plan was to send Birbal to heaven. And what was the way to go to the heaven? It was only the death. When a death occurs, a person can go to the heaven. Good. Now let's continue with our lesson. So where we stopped here. Okay. So here Barber is taking a chance to tell Akbar that he dreamt about his father, right? So that his father was getting bored and somebody is required in the heaven to just entertain them. Now let's see whether did the Birbal agreed to go to the heaven or paradise. Okay. Now let's continue from here. I think it's the page number 69. Hope you all are ready with your books, children. So open page number 69. It is yes, Your Excellency. Yeah, page number 67. Right. Okay, it is page number 67. Let's start from here. Yes, Your Excellency, he is very happy in paradise, but says that all the residents of heaven are terrible bores. He wants you to send someone to keep him amused with fine talk. Someone who is clever and witty needs to be sent. So what's the barber saying, explaining to the Akbar that his father was getting terrible bored in the heaven. He wants someone to keep him amused with fine talk. So who is the person can amuse everyone? Yes, of course it is Birbal. And what's the narrator saying now? Now, although Akbar prized Birbal very much, he truly respected his own father. Yes, we always worship our parents, those who are dead, right? So, same way Akbar also worshipped his father. So, he respected his own father. So, after a little thought, he decided to send his favorite advisor to paradise to entertain the old man. So, he sent for Birbal. Yes, so after some time, Akbar decided to send his favorite advisor. Who is that favorite advisor? Yes, Birbal. So he decided to send Birbal to his father to entertain him. And so now did Birbal agree to go to paradise? Now let's continue. The only way to reach heaven is through death. What a brilliant plan I have contrived. Birbal will have to die. So what this barber is thinking now, what a brilliant plan I have contrived. Contrived means something happened in a clever way, made something happen in a clever way. So Barber thought that his plan was so brilliant that Birbal will have to die now. Then narrator. Birbal wrote to the court at once to learn of the emperor's wishes. So now Birbal wants to know what was his Akbar wish. So he rushed to the court. Now Akbar. Birbal, if I have not judged you wrongly, I think you love me enough to make any sacrifice for my sake. Now what the Akbar is saying? That Birbal wants to go to the paradise because he said that if you love me so much, you will have to sacrifice this for my sake. Next, Birbal. You know, I do, Emperor. It means Birbal is agreeing to go to paradise. He said, yes, I will do it. Barber aside. Yes, that's right. Go on. Then I would like you to go to heaven and keep my dear father company. Barber aside. Yes, company. That's it. So company means one who is along with us to spend time. So who is our companion? Our friends, right? So we enjoy with our friends. They are our company. So what this barber is saying? Yes, company. That's it. Birbal. Your Highness, it would be an honor for me. But may I take a few days to prepare? Now what Birbal is requesting Akbar? He wants some days to go to the paradise. He wants to prepare for that. Right? So Barber. But your father, sir, so sad, so very, very bored and sad and so Barber now he's thinking that he must go at once. So he started saying, but your father, sir, is very, very bored and so on. He started saying something that he's planning to send Birbal at once immediately to the paradise. Akbar. What Akbar is saying? Silence. He was in silence. Birbal, you are doing me a great favor. Of course, you should prepare. I will give you a week. Now Akbar is giving him a week to prepare to go to the paradise. Barber rolls his eyes and speaks quietly. Oh, week. So what does Barber? He gets so quiet and he's talking among himself. My God, 1 week. So now let's see what happened. Whether Birbal is really going to the paradise or what was his plan. Because we know that Birbal is very clever. Now let's continue. So narrator. Birbal returned home and dug a deep pit in the grounds of his house. This would be his grave. But along with it, he also dug a secret tunnel that opened under the floor of his private room. Then he returned to meet the emperor. So what Birbal did? So he got a time for a week. So he came back to his home and he started digging the ground. And that would be his grave. Grave means one who is after the dead. So one who will be the coffins, So one will be dug in that ground. So this would be his grave. So where a dead people are buried. So grave means where the dead people are buried. So he dug the ground and he made the grave. But along with that, he also dug a secret tunnel that opened under the floor of his private room. So from the grave, he made a way to reach his private home. Then he returned to meet the emperor. Now, after planning all this, he made the grave and he made a tunnel and he came to meet the emperor. Now, Birbal, Your Highness, I am ready to go to heaven. Akbar, very good, Birbal. But in accordance with an family tradition, I would like to be buried alive. So you must have seen if the death occurs to them, they burn, right? Yes, we have seen the movies and all. But here, Birbal is requesting him to bury him. Okay, so according to his tradition, my family has always believed that this is the easiest and the quickest way to get to heaven. But why he is telling like that? He said that it is the quickest way to reach to the heaven. Now Akbar wants to go, this Birbal wants to go and reach his old father and entertain him. So he said, okay. Now narrator. And so to the delight of the barber, barber became very delightful. Barber means happiness. So barber became very happy. Birbal was buried alive. Now finally Birbal was buried alive. He found his way into the tunnel that took him to the safety of his own house. Birbal hid in his room for over 6 months. At the end of the time, with long hair and a shaggy beard, he came out of hiding and set off for the emperor's court. Now what happened? Now Birbal was buried alive. Now we know that he made another tunnel. So through that tunnel, he reached his private room. And Birbal did not come out for 6 months. So after 6 months, he came out to the emperor's court with a long hair and shaggy beard. Narrator. Akbar was getting his hair cut when Birbal arrived at the court. Your Majesty. Now Birbal has come in. Your Majesty. So Akbar was getting his haircut done at that time. Now Birbal came and said, Your Majesty. Akbar asked the barber to leave the room. Akbar. Birbal, can it be you? How did you get here? Now what Birbal is saying? Birbal took a deep breath and replied, From paradise. Oh, great one. Your father enjoyed our talk so much that he gave me special permission to return to earth and tell you all about them. So we know that if the death occurs to them, they will not again come back to the earth. But this Birbal, he came back and this Akbar was surprised and shocked. And he asked, how did you come here again? So Birbal said, oh great one, your father enjoyed our talks and he gave me the special permission to return to earth and tell you all about them. Akbar, did he give you any special message for his devoted son? I'll show you. So, did he give any special message for his devoted son? Akbar was asking. Birbal. Just one, Your Majesty. So, Akbar's father has given only one message. So, what was that message? Do you see my long beard and long hair? So when Birbal returned after 6 months, he was having long hair and long beard. So he is asking Akbar, can you see my long beard and long hair? Yes. Akbar nodded his head. Akbar nodded means he was shaking his head. Yes, I can see your long hair and long beard. And you can see in your textbook how Akbar has returned with his long hair and he was looking so shabby. Well, it seems very few barbers make it to heaven. Your father asked you to send in yours at once for he is badly in need of a haircut. So what Birbal is saying? It seems that in the heaven very few barbers are there. So your father asked you to send your barber at once to the paradise. So did you understand now? Yes, now Birbal wants Akbar to send his own barber who had plotted this plan to send it to go to the paradise. Now let's see what happened to this barber. Narrator. Akbar understood the matter now. Akbar. Send for the barber at once and make preparations to send him to heaven so that my dear father can have a good shave and a haircut. So what Akbar, he sent the barber at once and the preparation was made, was they are doing to send him to the heaven. Narrator. The barber realized that he had fallen into the same trap that he had sent for Birbal. Now, so if we think anything wrong about to any people or ditch any other people, so the same we will also fall into the same trap. So is this the lesson? See how much clever is the Birbal, how much cleverly he escaped from this, yes, from this cunning idea. Yes. So enjoy the story, children. So we'll stop here and in the next class we'll do some activities and we'll discuss some question and answer and the full story, right? Thank you, children. Bye bye.